Okay, this is an unboxing video, but I've already started to unbox a little bit of it. For some reason, the video wasn't oriented in the proper way, so I had to restart it. Okay, so the first piece I unboxed, this is from my friend Jarl, Jarl. And the first piece I unwrapped, before I noticed the video was in the wrong orientation, is this slab. Now this looks like Brazilian agate, right? Or something similar. There's no way I'm going to be able to nap something that wide and thin. So I'm going to have to cut it somehow into some pieces about this size. This is probably a little bit large too. Let's see. It's going to have to be arrowhead size. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I can get 10 good slices out of it. Maybe 12. Depending on how narrow I want these arrowheads. Yeah. Anyway, this is probably the widest that I would want something that thin to start with. Right? Let's see. It's only 4 millimeters, 4.5 millimeter, or 3/16. Yeah. Very thin. Very nice though. Very cool stuff. Looks like Mahogany Obsidian. Very thin slab, so I'm going to have to... This is easier to cut. I can do it with a glass cutter. Now, how would I cut this? Probably either in half if I want something, arrowheads that are long, or in quarters to make 4 little arrowheads. Alright, this looks like it might be heat treated stuff. Yeah, this will be interesting to see if I can get anything out of it, because it has a lot of voids and seams and issues, crystal pockets. But the solid stuff is very nice, so I should be able to get little arrowheads out of it. And you'd never know that it was a very difficult rock. Oh yeah, I did receive another package. See if I can dig it out for a short video. This reminded me of that rock that I got. I got it from a friend of mine in West Virginia. I can't remember exactly now. I'll look it up. I'll look for it. I have another box sitting around here somewhere. Okay. This looks like Novaculite. Yeah. Nice. Oh, a nice swirly chert. I think I have a letter where he explains all this stuff. This just looks like it might have some fossils in it. If I can get some nice spalls off of this, there will be some interesting arrowheads for sure. If I can control the strikes and get some nice arrowhead size spalls, you know, true arrowhead size, small ones, small arrowhead size spalls. Well, this isn't a little dart point, but you know, small ones like that off of that one piece. I could make at little dart points also, right? I might be able to preserve a biface in the very center of it but we don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I could definitely knock off some strategic large flakes, but keeping the width, I'm probably going to lose all of this because there's a seam right here. It probably just will pop right off. It'll be narrow. And yes, I am going to get back to napping here in a minute. I just want to get this out of the way. £3.25 pounds. Mahogany Obsidian. Looks like it's in the natural state. Now this is how to ship, by the way. Everything packaged individually, so the rock isn't rubbing against each other or not banging up against each other. Nice patterning on this obsidian. Very nice. Another reason why I'm unboxing this one, I like the way it was shipped. Okay. Another piece of Novaculite. I forget if he told me this was heat treated. I just learned of a secret on heat treating with 2 turkey roasters. This is another geode, looks like. Heat treating with 2 turkey roasters. You know how the turkey roaster has a pan in it, right? So you take 2 turkey roasters, and put one on top of the other like that, and you turn it full blast on both of them, and it should exceed 600 degrees. That's what I was told. And that means you can heat treat Novaculite with a turkey roaster, or with 2 of them, one placed over the top of the other. So I'm going to see how that goes. I'm going to try that. Since turkey roasters are not that expensive, this is some nice light colored shirt. Maybe Burlington, maybe Keokuk, I can't tell. It almost looks like Novaculite on this side. Looks good. Looks like good stuff. Another little geode. Right, that's what these called? Yeah, geodes. I need to get a saw so I can cut those. And get a saw so I can start making flake over grind preforms. And things like that. Alright, this is a large chunk of glass. This is nice because of the thickness. It's a lot like a regular obsidian spall. And the reason why I want to work this white glass is because it's one of the few artificial materials that looks very similar to what you can find in nature, right? There is white chert and white flint in nature, not white obsidian, but you can get white chert and heat treat it, and it looks very similar to this commercial white glass. This is not porcelain, this is actual glass. So this is cool. All right, it looks like it was for sale at one time, like most of these pieces. Awesome. Okay, that's it for that one. I'm excited about that. I'm going to incorporate these into videos, except for the geodes. I'm going to see if I can figure out how to cut those. Maybe when I establish my new shop at my new location. All right, that's it.